Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 44. Name the property under addition. So here fourth one, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So this property name is associative property of addition. Okay, so associative property. Okay, so ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ associative property? When adding 3 or more numbers, the way in which they are grouped. So p plus c ಅಥವಾ a plus b ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so they does not changes the final sum. Okay, so a plus b plus c equal to ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ a plus b plus c ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the associative property of addition. Thank you.